Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message with the small effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is a feature on iOS 18, so if you haven't updated your phone, you'll need to update to iOS 18 to be able to use this feature. And once you update to iOS 18, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up the Messages app on your iPhone. And then go ahead and select a contact that you like to send that small effect message to. So I'm going to select one here. And then all you're going to do is click on the app here, and the small effect is found when you click on this little icon right here that looks like an A almost, but it's not. You click on it and you'll see the small effect and other effect as well. So you can select on it and then say, hey, and as you can see here, it started to type small effect, and then I can hit send. And that message that's being sent, it's going to have that small effect to it. So it'll make it small and then normal size as well. And that's how you can send someone a message with a small effect. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks on your iPhone, especially on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.